welcome back to my channel. This is Jodie Mermaid. We are celebrating Tim Burton this month, and today we attempted to do the look of Shock. So Shock is from The Nightmare Before Christmas. She is the witch in Boogie's crew. They call it Boogie's Boys, but she's a lady. So we started off by painting the face white. I wasn't sure if I wanted it white or green. In the end we went with green, spoiler alert. Then we simply carved out the mouth. She only has 5 teeth in total. Probably all that trick-or-treating. Carving out the mouth is super easy. Did it with black face paint. And then we went over an inner line and we did lips. And then we drew some little rectangles, squares, rectangles. And then we went over the face around the mouth and we could finish up. We then coloured the teeth in with white face paint. And then we filled in the rest of the mouth with black face paint. I would try and moisturise your lips as much as possible before and after because face paint really does dry my lips out. We then went over the mouth with blue eyeshadow. And then we painted the face green with green face paint. We mixed it a little bit of white just to lighten it up a bit. We then went over the eyes with blue eyeshadow. And we added a little bit of sparkle. Then I added blue contact lenses. I was going to add pink, but I felt that blue was more suited for her. We then did some liquid eyeliner. And then we added fake lashes. A blue wig. Well, actually it's purple, but it looks blue here. Purple wig is from Amazon. We filled in the rest of the neck. And we also added a small witch's hat from Amazon. The shirt, I don't know where I got the shirt from. I think I got it from a charity shop, if I'm being honest. It's pink, but she usually wears purple. And then I just added a black dress as well. Super easy look, again, for Halloween. If you have 3 friends that you could do this with, you could do lock, shock, and barrel. I don't have any friends, so I did it all by myself. But yeah, super quick, super easy. Eyeshadow, face paints. You can add the contacts if you want, you don't have to. Wig was £10, super cheap, easy. Happy Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next look, which is Barrel.